Hello guys, welcome to another Tipsy Tuesday. Today we are making a salty dog 1. Okay, so with our salty dog, let me move this back some. Like that. With our salty dog, we're gonna add some salt, a pinch of salt to our bowl because I don't have wax paper. Put a handful. And a good amount of sugar. Then we're going to cut our lime into a wedge. Like so. We're gonna wet the rim of our glass, and then we're gonna roll this into this. Is my first time doing this. Hold on, wait. Put it on this plastic. Get the glass on here. Let's see. Hopefully this works, you guys. Hopefully it's gonna be cute. Oh, it's working. It's working. It's working. I did it. I saw and sugar. I did it. Yeah, I did it. She did it. She did it. Hooray. Yeah, I did it. Okay. Now I'm gonna add 2 ounces. I'm gonna add some ice. Ice comes out. Come out. There we go. Come on out. Okay, that last one didn't want to come out. But I'm gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. 1. 2, and then gonna pour in our grapefruit juice. That should be enough, but I'm gonna see if I can garnish this on here. Somehow? No? Okay. It ain't gonna do it. But ooh. And look at that. That's sexy. Now, I'm about to taste it. Ooh. Let me taste it. Okay, salty dog. You are salty. Take a bite anytime. After that. It's good. That's actually one. I'm gonna say that's probably one of my favorite alcoholic drinks that I tasted so far. I don't know about the salt and sugar though. Probably one of my favorites because you can't really taste the liquor when it comes to that, but it's good nevertheless. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, then you just don't. But comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at iBarTV. And no, Slick Living did not sponsor this video, but go check out boy Cleo, Mr. Zeroni himself. Bye.